Alright, so let's attempt to get this thing off. Pop this one here, I know, will come off if I... Jimmy, that ain't comes right off, but there's nothing under there. Then if I pop that one straight down, that should allow that to come straight off, just like that. And then this comes straight off, quick and easy. And that's how you get the stock shift knob off. So here's the shifter that I'm putting on. I thought this was appropriate for my first mod on a 2013 Orange Crush JK. Little bag that comes with it. So one of the problems that I'm anticipating is that, I don't know if you can see this, but the top of that shift is square. And I'm going to have to figure out how, or if I'm going to have to do anything to get these adapter caps to fit over that square knob and into the round hole. So there's the Allen key, and they sent me 6 set screws, so that's a good thing. I'm going to go ahead and set these in the cup holder so I don't lose them. And then let me see which one of these. I may have to get some, mix up some JB Weld to do this, because that's, yeah. Looks like I have to do some JB Weld on this sucker. Well, maybe not. If that fits. Cut that off right there. Alright, that should allow it to sit on top of that and slide up in there. So that, okay, yeah, should go right there. Alright, I'm going to give this thing a shot and push that straight in all the way down, and then that should go just like that with some set screws. It looks like 3 of these set screws are long and 3 are short, so I'm going to go ahead and put the long ones in, because that's a pretty narrow shaft. And then, like I said, if it doesn't work, there's always the option of some good old JB Weld. And then the final long one's right there. Alright, so that's just, yeah, 3 little set screws all the way around. And then just going to bring those in a little bit, kind of make them even. Alright, let's drop that sucker on there and see what she does. As you can see, there's still a lot of wobble in there. So I'm going to bring those in some more. That might be too much. So that looks like it's on there pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and tighten those set screws. Just a little bit on each one. Till it evens itself out. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a success. Alright guys, there we go. 2013 Orange Crush JK with the 13 pool ball shifter knob. Other than that, she is stock.